5 Effective Ways to Remove Nail Polish at Home. When it comes to removing nail polish, there are several methods you can use at home. Some methods may be more effective than others depending on the type of nail polish you're using, how much polish you have on your nails, and the condition of your nails. In this article, we'll cover some of the most effective ways to remove nail polish at home. Use acetone. Acetone is a common ingredient in nail polish removers and is highly effective at removing nail polish quickly. To use acetone, soak a cotton ball or pad in the solution and press it firmly onto your nail for a few seconds. Then, gently rub the cotton ball over your nail to remove the polish. You may need to repeat this process a few times to remove all of the polish. Try non-acetone nail polish remover. If you're looking for a gentler alternative to acetone, you can try a non-acetone nail polish remover. These solutions usually contain ethyl acetate or isopropyl alcohol instead of acetone. While they may take longer to remove the polish, they are less harsh on your nails and cuticles. Use nail polish remover pads. If you're looking for a quick and easy option, nail polish remover pads are a convenient solution. These pads are pre-soaked in nail polish remover and can be used to quickly remove polish from your nails. Simply press the pad onto your nail and rub gently to remove the polish. Use a nail polish remover bottle with a brush. Nail polish remover bottles with a brush applicator can be a good option if you're looking for more control. These bottles have a brush attached to the cap, allowing you to apply the nail polish remover directly to your nails. Once you've applied the remover, use a cotton ball or pad to wipe away the polish. Try a DIY nail polish remover. If you don't have any nail polish remover on hand, you can make your own at home using ingredients you likely already have in your kitchen. Mix equal parts lemon juice and vinegar, then soak your nails in the solution for a few minutes. Use a cotton ball or pad to wipe away the polish. No matter which method you choose, it's important to be gentle when removing nail polish. Scrubbing too hard or using harsh chemicals can damage your nails and cuticles. Remember to moisturize your nails and cuticles after removing the polish to keep them healthy and hydrated. Thanks for watching. Go to www.thebodyemporium.org/tippytoes.